Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to change the text color and remove a link in Google Docs. So the text color, it displays the color of the font, or it can change the color of the text in your document. And the link function, it creates a shortcut that allows the user to jump to another location. Now, if you want to prevent that, you can remove the link in Google Docs. To learn in more details about the text color and the remove link option in Google Docs, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am at my Google Drive. So let's say I'm going to open the test file. So to change the text color, I need to select the text and then click on the text color option, and then select the color that I want to change it to. Let me use this one. So now the text color has changed. If I go back here again and use this one, now the text color has been changed again. Now let's try again. Let's say I want it to be pink. So now the text color is pink. Now if we go back to our Microsoft document that we created, now there are numerous links, as you can see. So if we want to remove these links, all we have to do is click on the link and click on this remove link. Then you can just simply click and remove link to remove the links from this document. So this is how you can remove the link, and you can also change the text color over here. Let's say if you want to change the text color to pink, now all the text is now in pink. If you want to change it to, let's say, green, now everything is in green. So that's how you can change the text color and also remove the link. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to change the text color and remove the link in Google Docs. So thank you for watching.